Yesterday, I showed you the D1 plus M15 MIS strategy. Simple, clean, structured. But today I'm going to show you something even more important. Why most traders try this strategy and still fail. Not because the strategy doesn't work, but because they don't execute it correctly. If you've ever said, the setup was perfect, but I messed it up, this video is for you. The problem is not the entry. The problem is impatience, fear, overmanagement, lack of rules. This strategy is built on structure, but if you interfere emotionally, you destroy the edge. The market rewards discipline. It punishes emotional reaction. One of the biggest mistakes traders make, they anticipate the market impulse shift. They see price slowing down. They think structure will break. They enter early. That is not miss. Miss must be clear. Strong displacement candle, clear break of structure, momentum shift. If it's not obvious, it's not valid. Remember, clarity, nash, confidence, uncertainty, hash, loss. Once MS happens and you identify the low, you wait. You do not. Chase price. Move entry closer. Enter mid-retrace. The pending order must stay at structure. Why? Because professional trading is about precision. If price doesn't return to your level, that means the market did not give you your discount. And that's okay. This is where amateurs lose discipline. Price moves away, the trade never triggers, and they feel like they missed out, so they chase. Professionals don't chase. If the order doesn't activate, delete it. Wait for tomorrow. There will always be another setup. There will not always be another account. Now, let's go deeper. On M15, you don't just want any MIS. You want MIS that aligns with ISTA D1 direction. Clear liquidity sweep. Clean rejection from a key level. The cleaner the structure, the higher the probability. Trading is not about frequency, it's about quality. Now let's talk about something critical. Risk. Never risk based on emotion. Risk based on structure. Your stop loss must go. Below miss low, for buy. Above miss high, for sell. Not random, not tight, not based on fear. Structure defines risk, not your feelings. When you combine higher time frame direction, clean miss pending order discipline proper risk, you create mathematical consistency. Not every trade wins, but over time, your winners are structured, your losses are controlled. That's how accounts grow. You must understand this. Trading success is not about catching every move. It's about waiting for your move, entering at your level, managing based on your rules. If you remove emotional interference, this strategy becomes powerful. If you apply this strategy with patience for 6 months, you will trade less, you will stress less, you will think clearer, and your results will reflect that. In the description, I've shared the tools that help me identify direction and structure faster. Study them, apply discipline, and simplify your trading. If this helped you, like the video, share with another serious trader, subscribe for real Forex education. I'll see you in part 3.